¿Qué tiempo hace? Hola clase, hoy vamos a hablar del tiempo, or the weather. Para empezar, vamos a hablar de las estaciones, or the seasons. For example, la primavera is spring, el verano, summer, otoño es fall, invierno es winter. ¿Qué tiempo hace? What's the weather like right now? In English, we say it is to express weather expressions. In Espanol, we use several different expressions, of course. So, hace is one that we use. Está. So, hace frío, hace sol, está lloviendo, está nevando. Hace plus the weather expression. So to say the weather is good, you would say hace buen tiempo, hace mal tiempo. If you want to say it's very good weather or very bad, you would say muy. But then if you're talking about characteristics, you would say hace mucho sol, hace mucho calor. So that's a lot of sun, a lot of heat. Or you could just say hace frío, hace fresco, hace viento. You could also use está with expressions. So you would say está soleado, it's sunny, or está nublado, it is cloudy. We also use some different standalone expressions that don't use hace or está. So for example, llueve, so it's raining, or nieva, it's snowing. You could also say va a llover, it's going to rain. Está lloviendo is it is raining, and the yendo and ando ending in Spanish, remember, means like ing whenever you see that. So está lloviendo, it is raining. And that's all. Thank you very much. Tengan un buen día y que tengan muy buen tiempo.